So welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be making a dash game. You might be familiar with the dash game. Uh, Dash game. I'll just what? There's nothing called a dash game. How about dash? Okay, there's geometry dash. Okay, not this is what I meant, but I meant is like a dash game. Like let's say dash game. I'll try this. I hope there's something found. I pretty much don't know what are they telling, but yes, I will make it myself. I know I am not making a lot of things in the Flappy Bird game. Yes, the second part is coming to in the next video. So let's simply make a new project, and I'll explain what is a dash game. Yeah, so let's start. Project saved. For now, I will not need the cat. Okay. Let's see what's in that backpack. I hope something good is there. I found Steve. More. Oh my, how much did I steal? Alright, this is so many. Okay, this is baby Steve. I think so for now I can choose this. This is good. Yeah, this looks pretty good, but I don't want the lighting effects. That's one a bad thing. Oh my god, what should I take? Oh, why am I doing that? Okay, so I'm pretty much not getting what to take. So I'll quickly grab something dumb or anything which I can draw. Okay, I got my. Pretty much I'm gonna draw a thing. What? What? Let's just throw these. Throw these. So this is our kind of equipment. Means what we are gonna use. And remember to, man, how did this guy draw this? Alright, it's in the center. I'll say the size is this. I think so. This is pretty even. I don't like it. I will fill the color with blue. This is so good. Alright, I think so lighter so that it can represent a good guy sign. And the background means these lines. They will be outlined typically darker version of blue. Alright, this is awesome. So typically this is our, nah, let's fill it black. I'm getting bad. Gray. Yeah, this is good. For this is a character, and like whenever we click a mouse, I couldn't show you the example. So like whenever we click our mouse, like this, boom, 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 it's gonna go to a mouse, and you have to dodge or people and all. So, to play this game, you have the links below. Just check how the game is actually. Then you can watch a tutorial. First watch, or else you can simultaneously do. That's more understanding. So let's just take a normal thing. One flat clip. We can add in those play buttons and all. That's very easy. I'll move it further on parts. But I think so I'll just put about 3 parts. 1 minute. Yes. Alright, this is what we got right now. Okay, so now what we want to do is in the forever loop, we have to check an if then. This is the most basic code. You might also know this. Mouse down means like when mouse down means when we click like that. Okay, then it's supposed to glide. Oh, don't take these glides because they set to a particular coordinates. Take glide in about, you have to put it in decimals. 2 seconds to a position which is a mouse pointer. So let's really test that. Alright, that's one nice one. Okay, this is good. I think so 0.2 is too much. in 0.1 second. Now it's gonna work. Wow, that's so fast. Okay, so this is our for now. Okay, one. Oh, right. So it zaps to a mouse pointer and we can take it anywhere. Alright, alright, alright. Next, what we can do is, if you want me making a scrolling game, please comment me down. I can try my best, but that's, well, alright. But first I have to find out what to do. So this is typically a player. I think it's too small. Let's say it is 60%. Whoa, 60 made a lot difference. 80%. Yeah, this is good. This is so small, nice. You can take it right there. So I want to add in a sound. So play sound. Let's just add in that. So we have to select a sound first. Let's select a zooping sound in FX. Okay, yeah, I think so. Either the, either the crunch, uh, uh, crunch, or the boom or whatever. Let's just leave that. I think so. The crunch is good, and play sound crunch because there's no other sounds. Oh my god, the volume's so high. So to set the volume, there is an option called set volume to I say 50%. 50%. That's so high. 20, I'll say. So this is perfect. 20%. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, this is so good. This is the best. This is what you can expect. What happens if we say in 0 seconds? That's what I want to see. Man, that isn't even a second. That's so fast. So 0.2 was the best, I'll say. It should not be very fast like a turbulence plane. Yeah. Okay. Links in the description below. The Dash game, a proper version, means like the Dash game where I saw and I'm trying to create again. Links in the description box below. Check it out. It is nice. So when it dashes, it should make a clone of itself. No. Let's just duplicate whatever this comes. I don't care. So let's just throw this out. This is gonna be in dustbin. Okay, so we want this to be a little evil. Let's change it into red. And then the outline should be in the color of black. This is very evil. Size is 80, just a little smaller. 79. Duh. 75. Alright, they both are pretty much equal, if you can see. Yeah, they are equal. Just a little size difference. I do not care. Alright, this also do something. So what we want to do is like it should randomly spawn again and again instead of duplicating to about 1,000,000. We can either use this in the controls, create clone of myself. So let's start with the basic flag. When flag clicked, then it is supposed to forever loop. No. Yeah, it is gonna hide because the original one will kind of be shown, which is not good. Forever loop, and it's gonna pick random. Wait for pick random seconds. Means like it's gonna wait for some seconds and it's supposed to spawn from 5 to 10 and then it's supposed to create a clone of myself. Yeah. And when I start as a clone is also there, means it's like a flag for the clone. When I start as a clone, it is supposed to. Let's think. Okay, I'm getting a little confused. Yeah, got it. When I start as a clone, it is supposed to point in the forever loop. No, it's supposed to repeat until. Point in direction. So where is it? Point in. No. What? Point in direction. Oh, okay. So we have to do this. Point in direction. You might see this thing in the operators backdrop hashtag backdrop number of stage. Instead of that, we can take no, sorry. First, you have to fill the stage. Sprite 1. I don't want to name it bad. So what I want to do is name it player, and this one's name is um, ah, uh, enemy. So yeah, enemy is our enemy and the player is our player. Uh, okay, so it's supposed to point in direction of player 1, and I think so we'll need the forever loop, not this weird if then, because it confuses. Ah, yep. So this is like it's supposed to point in directions. It is supposed to point in direction of the player, and it's supposed to point in direction of the player, and it's supposed to. Why do I get so confused in thinking? I got it. Point in direction of player, and then move one step. So let's give it a try. Right, and it should spawn in the corner. From either this corner, or that corner. So for now, let's show it. Okay, and it's supposed to go to this. Pick random from that. Oh, sorry, you can't put your cursor out. So pick random from that to that. Dump from X from. Okay. So let's just make it from appearing from this side. Pick random X. No, X will be a fixed number, which is negative 229. Negative 229. And then its Y is what we want to change. And the Y is about to be picked random from, let's say, the toppest, which is 166. You guys have to write the numbers because you can't check. 166, and then the bottom it is negative 70. Okay, negative 170, sorry, 170. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It is supposed to. Oh, I forgot one thing. Show. Okay, and then we can add in a repeat until Oh, no. It's supposed to. Hmm. It is supposed to, if then, yeah, if then, touching player 1, then it's supposed to delete itself. If then, touching player 1. So we can go to this, touching player, not player 1, player, then it's supposed to delete the clone. So this is what it is. That sound makes me annoyed. Now it works. Alright, that guy appeared. Is it pointing in my direction? No. Point in direction of player. It is supposed to. Or else I can say instead of this, it's supposed to motions glide in about 3 seconds to player. And this is supposed to work. Alright, I have to wait a little. Oh my god, that. Okay. Alright, that's good. But the 3 seconds is too much. I think so. It should be about 5 seconds. Means too less. 1 minute I have to. Yeah. So oh, and I can zap him like that. Oh, what? It's not deleting the clone if I touch him. Okay, this is a bug. Alright, this is a. Ah. So typically this is part 1 and it was about 20 minutes. It's pretty long, I'll have to admit. It takes a lot of space of mine. Okay, so they all will be following me. This is the end of the video. That was it for today. Bye bye.